you doing? I have here a package from Temu. I love Temu. I'm sorry, but I just love Temu. What this is a like a hospital bed table. You know, one of those side tables that rolls under the bed. I call it a laptop table. I guess a lot of people call it a laptop table. But that's what this is. And we're going to put it together. Yes, it's from Temu. It cost me, is it $31? Something like that. 31, 32, somewhere around in there. But we're going to put this together as soon as I can get it out of the box. I just got done doing my other video of cutting my hair with the Flowbee. I went in and asked my daughter what she thought about it, and she said it was choppy. I didn't use the angle thing to what do you call it? I don't know. But anyway, I didn't use that. Doesn't matter to me. I don't go many places anyway. I think it looks better than it did. Okay. It's pink. It's pink. I love pink. Okay. Okay. This is the bottom. I guess the wheels go in the holes here. Okay. And you know what? I don't see any directions. I seriously do not see any directions on this thing. I know this has to go on the table, but how? There's no screw holes. Oh, okay. There's these to put in here. I cannot believe there's no directions. Oh, they fell on the floor. I'm like, what in the world? I mean, come on now. All right. So they want you to put the wheels on first. Simple. Simple, simple, simple. You know how many of these wheels I have from buying little drawer things, and I never put the wheels on them. Let's screw these wheels in here. Just gotta use the wrench because I can't get my fingers. I guess I can a little bit, but I'll give you a wrench. Put that in there. I hope you can hear me. You know how many videos I have made where they were messed up and just never remade them. What a crappy. I don't like this wrench. Heck? They could have gave you a better wrench. Doesn't even look like it wants to fit on there. In the world. There it goes. And of course it's going to fall off again. You know what? I'm going to get a better wrench. Well, I thought I was going to get a better wrench, but that toolbox doesn't have any wrenches in it, so I'm stuck with this little doodad. I'm not a professional video maker by any means. I am just me. Just me. What you see is what I'm like. This thing's a piece of crap. Not the table, the wrench. Piece of crap. The table's made out of metal. And then I think the top is just a particle board with melamine on top, I believe. I'm doing most of it with my fingers because it's such a piece of crap wrench that if I don't have it flat, it's not going to work. It's too thin. Come on, catch in there. And you know, for being a brand new table, it must have been laying around for a while in their warehouse or something. It's got stuff all over it. I don't know if that's gunk, you know. I don't know what it is. But it's washable. Okay, wheels are on. Now, it says to put this piece on. Okay, you've got 3 holes to choose from. I don't understand why there's 3 holes. It's not telling me why there's 3 holes. But apparently you can put it here, or you can put it here. It looks like in the picture they have it there. But I am going to see where this is going to sit. We'll put it in the middle like they have it. Just like that. Okay. Now we need so A, the longer ones here. Two nuts that go on the end of it. Wow, those are pretty long. I think they outdid themselves on the length of these screws. Alright. Where's my screwdriver? My wrench. That just does not look right at all. What in the world? Well, I can honestly say this isn't very tight. It wiggles. Probably need a better screwdriver to get a better grip because that screwdriver is just not. So use your normal tools. Don't use the tools that come in the package if you have normal tools. I mean, if you don't and you have to use these tools, they'll work. But yeah, your normal tools at home would probably be better. Okay, now it wants me to put the guard on. With screws C. Here's my other C screw. Did I drop that too? Oh, it's in the bag. Brucey. Started. Now, the one thing I'm going to make sure of is that when I push this table under my chair, that this part is facing me. So this part would have to be just like this, because I could put it like this, but then it's going to be wrong because my table slides in here and I want the laptop to sit up against this. So I don't think it tilts. I don't think it's a tilting table. But anyway, so we got that. Now it wants me to put these on this. So let's look at this. The table I wanted, which I couldn't afford, it was like 70 bucks, $65, $70, something like that. That is one that it stretches out to where it would go over a twin bed, completely over the twin bed, and then roll back off if you needed to. And it would have rolled right over this whole chair. That's the one I want, because not only does it do that, but it has the middle part of it will angle up for your laptop, and then the two ends stay flat for, whatever you have there, like whether it be your coffee or whatever. And I really liked that one, but couldn't afford it. That was another $30 on top of, well, 30 some dollars. No, it would have been $40 more than this table. And I just didn't have that. Christmas is here. I got to make sure I buy Christmas for the grandbabies. But I still also have to be comfortable out here in my garage at the same time. So just this little one. And this, tighten it up. First, we're gonna put it on here. And I want to make sure that it's going to slide under the table, or under the chair, I mean. Bring it down some more. Oh, oh. Oh, I guess I can tighten it to where it's at an angle. I didn't think about that. I could tighten it right now and it would stay at an angle, although that's angled a little too far for me. Okay, that looks good right there. We'll tighten it up with that angle. That's cool. I didn't even think about the fact that you could just angle it and then tighten it. Okay. Now, keep it at that height. You gotta put the last piece on. Tighten it. There she is. Get all this out of the way. Yeah, it's my laptop table. That is perfect. That is perfect for me. See it? Yeah. Yep. That's perfect. Okay. I love it. And it's nice and sturdy. That's me rolling, moving it around. It's pretty sturdy. It's not going anywhere. It's not a carpet. But it ain't gonna go anywhere. I like it. So that's the laptop table from Temu. I love it. It's gonna come in handy for me. I'll be more comfortable out here now when I'm sitting out here. So yeah, now I gotta clean up my mess. But that's it for this video. Anyway, that's it for this video. Give Temu a try. I like it. A lot of people like Temu. So if you haven't tried it, give it a try. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And then hit that little bell so you're notified when I post a new video. And hit that like button because it does help out my channel. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.